Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about the world of cryptocurrencies. Today's video is all about how to verify your Coinmarketcap account. If you're just starting out or you've been trading for a while, verifying your account is a crucial step to unlock full features, enhance security, and access more data. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother verifying? Well, Coinmarketcap is one of the leading platforms for tracking crypto prices, market caps, and trends. Verification helps protect your account from unauthorized access and allows you to participate in features like portfolio tracking or community discussions without restrictions. To get started, make sure you have the Coinmarketcap app installed on your phone or access it via their website. Step 1. Log in to your account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to the registration page, enter your email, create a password, and verify your email address right away. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account or Profile section, usually found in the top right corner or under a menu icon. Step 2. Look for the verification options. You'll typically see prompts for email and phone verification. For email verification, check your inbox for a confirmation link from Coinmarketcap and click it to confirm. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Next, for phone verification, enter your phone number in the designated field and request a code. Coinmarketcap will send you an SMS with a verification code. Enter that code promptly to link your phone. This adds an extra layer of security. If you're aiming for full verification, you might need to complete KYC, Know Your Customer, steps. This involves uploading a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and possibly a selfie for identity confirmation. Don't worry, it's straightforward and helps comply with regulations. Once everything is verified, you'll get a confirmation notification. Remember, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication if available. If you run into any issues, check the Coinmarketcap Help Center or contact their support team. There you have it. Verifying your Coinmarketcap account is quick and easy. Now you're all set to explore the crypto world safely. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.